is that ring and this ring is the only two ring in Ochi.
Yeah.
So he was like, you need to
One
go
was
to
this,
them.
and the men's ring, what you liked it was
So this is the ring they stole.
that was with the cross.
Yeah, I'm not. And yeah, we don't
Yeah,
talk
you,
anymore.
I
Yeah.
did came to know about
Yeah.
it.
So, oh, you saw it too, right? Yeah. So this is the ring that I had, and they stole. Yep. So like this one.
Sure.
Let me see this one and that one.
Your
They're
your thing is in Vista Del Mar?
Yeah, you're over there, right?
Yeah, we live in the same.
On the blue house. You live on the blue
not
house
on the
past
blue
me, go
one.
up.
It's past more further out.
Yeah, because I saw some Indian guys at the blue house.
That's a different company.
That's a different company. Okay, let me try this one.
Sure. Let's put it on.
Is it the same price? They look like the same price. This even look like more. Yeah, see how it look nice on my fingers? My old fingers. Holy schmuck,
Mr.
this is
Elvis?
more.
Can I get a bottle of water for her, please?
3,625. Yeah, I would love to replace my ring in the future because I can't believe they stole my ring. Let me try this little simple one.
Sure.
Here, it's for you, ma'am.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this look more simpler.
Yeah. Something simpler, best.
Yes, and I'm a bet it's cheaper. How much
Mine
for
is
this
not a
one?
problem.
How much for this one?
I'll let you know. I'm sure it's not that expensive the way
Like
you
the first one.
are. The way you are.
Yeah. Open this one.
Sure.
Because I'm videoing. And you have the earrings them as well. I can't believe, and it's only two people was in the house. And one, when I had the accident, I went in my room.
Okay.
I was in my room after I have the accident. I was in my room with it on when I was doing the video.
For that one.
$1,025.
Yeah.
Nice. That's
American,
not
yeah.
bad. The other one was more.
That one is definitely because that contain more diamond compared to this one.
Yes. I would rather get this one in the future. Yeah. So it was just me in the house. I took off the ring. I took a shower, and then I realized my eyes were bloodshot, and I didn't have on the ring when I pulled my eyes down to look on my eyes. So I took off my ring to shower with the watch and put it where they normally go. Then I wake up the next morning, do the same thing over again, shower and get ready to put them on, and the ring was gone. And I missed my ring. Man, that ring had a bond. I saved and bought that ring.
Sorry about it.
Yeah.